Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I'm making a card for you, really because I wanted to focus on this particular stamp set, Strong of Heart. Now, if you've missed it, you will be totally forgiven because it's tucked inside on page 5 of the mini catalogue. So obviously this is the front cover, and then you've got the index here at the front, and then you've got a chap from Shelley on that side, and I have to say, I confess, I missed it the first time around because it then goes on to some samples of some kits which will be coming out, Paper Pumpkin, which is on its way out, and then you're into the catalogue. So yeah, my first order, I then had to go back and place a second order to get it. So I wanted to highlight this, and this is a Make a Difference stamp set. So for each stamp set that you buy, Stampin' Up's going to donate £2.50, €3. Don't know what it is in any of the varieties of dollars, but they're going to donate it to heart health charities. So yeah, really wanted to highlight it. And actually, I kind of sort of cased the catalogue here because I liked this idea of stamping the little hearts on stripes, but that's not what I did. I just kept the stripes, and those are from the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper. So this is my card with the stripy paper, but I've, that's all I've taken from it. So all you need to do to create a card blank, I take a piece of cardstock, cut it in half and fold it in half, and that gives me an international A6 size card. That's what this is. But you guys over in the United States, just take your normal 8.5 by 11, cut it in half and score it in half. Then my piece of designer series paper, although there is pink here, it actually is only 0.5 centimetre shorter and narrower. So I have got that prepped, and actually that is the continuation of this piece of paper, as you can see. But I'm going to put it that way around. And I've chosen mint macaron. This one was polished pink, this one was mint macaron. And then where I want to go from there, because this is a very simple card, is I'm going to measure my heart to see that I can fit it all on. So I'm looking at 9 centimetres by 8 centimetres. When I make cards, I only work in metric. Just because the whole, apparently there's a news alert. The whole world is metric. Well, I can't remember what I said now. Did I say 9 by 8? I did say 9 by 8. So I've cut my 9, my 8, and then I want a little border of the same matching mint macaron, 0.5 centimetre larger on both sides. So I'm going to make that 8.5 by 9.5. And that will give me a border all the way round, which is the same border that's going to go around my piece of paper. Okay, so big block. So I went polished pink on the stamping for this one. Well, I lost the stamp then for a second, but I'm going to go Misty Moonlight on this one. So I've got Misty Moonlight here. Just ink all over. Get that straight. Oh! And then take it off. Oh, look, I've splodged a bit. Should we try that again? The emergency spare side of paper. There we go, no splodges. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to make this colour bleed with my ever faithful Wink of Stella. But it's not picking up enough colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of my brush and put it into the side. That way I don't leave glitter all over my ink pad, but I do get colour. You can see it on the tip. And I can get this nice faded gradient ombre look. I'll pick a bit more up. And just keep picking up ink. And you can see I've got this faded look, so I'll just keep doing these other ones. Just picking up just a tiny dip, tiny dab on the end. and then coming and building up colour where you need it. It's a lovely, lovely gentle project. Very simple, very easy. Then on a scrap, I'm just going to get rid of all of that excess colour on there, and I'm just going to come in on the leaves just to give it a glittery look. And I don't know how well you're seeing it, if that's showing up or not. But again, just take off the excess, then that's good to go for another time. Take you, zoom back out. And then I can put it together with my seal. Oh, my seal's running out. I do love the Whimsy and Wonder paper. You can see the iridescent shiny bit that side. That's over there, and then I'm going to take some dimensionals for the back of this, but I'm not sure what I've done with them because they were right here. There they are. They're under the catalogue. That can go on the front. And then there's lots of different phrases. Here for you, you amaze me, stronger than you know. Through struggle comes strength. And I'm going to take you amaze me this time. And again, I'm going to measure it up down here. So that is 1.5. I'm going to go 1.5 by 6 centimetres again. Looking for a straight edge. That's the straight side. I'm going to get a block that's way too big and line that up. And hope it's straight. Oh, look at that, it's straight. Well, I'm proud of that. And then I'm going to flag tail the end. So the easy way to flag tail is cut straight in the middle and then a corner to the middle, corner to the middle, and that gets you a straight, a nice perfect flag tail. Take the edge of my dimensionals, and I'm going to go over there, and you amaze me. How lovely are they? Just simple but pretty, and highlighting the brilliant stamp set. I hope you like it. I hope you find that useful. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Sparkly. Bye.